Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to navigate through Webull. First, let's get comfortable with the platform's layout. Webull offers a user-friendly interface, making it simple to find what you need. You can easily access essential trading features and customize your dashboard to suit your preferences. Understanding the main sections for market data is key to getting started efficiently. Placing a trade on Webull is straightforward. You'll find clear buttons for buying and selling stocks or other assets. When executing a trade, you can select different order types, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to specify a price. Simply input the number of shares you wish to trade, review the details, and confirm your order. Monitoring your investments is crucial, and Webull makes it simple. Your portfolio section provides a clear overview of your current holdings and account balance. You can easily track the profit and loss for each of your individual assets. Additionally, you have access to detailed statements and a comprehensive transaction history to review your past activities. Webull offers robust research and analysis tools to help you make informed decisions. You can use advanced charting features with over 60 indicators and 20 drawing tools for technical analysis. Access real-time news and analyst ratings to gauge market sentiment. Setting up custom price alerts will notify you of significant market movements, keeping you updated effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.